Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to stream on Kick.com. So what you'll have to do is simply install any of these free software. So you have OBS, XSplit and Streamlabs desktop in order to start streaming. So you're gonna need one of these to record your screen, to stream your screen. And you're gonna need the stream key and the server URL. So as you can see, please ensure you are logged into your Kick.com account you wish to stream from and visit your creator dashboard. And after that, you'll have to simply click the settings menu item, and then you'll have to simply click the stream key, and they're gonna look something similar to this, and you'll have to add them to your OBS or Streamlabs. And as you can see, if you want to add your Kick stream key to OBS, you'll have to open OBS, click on File, and then you'll have to simply go to Settings and click on Stream. And then here you'll have to set it custom, and then simply paste in the server URL and the stream key, and then simply click on Apply and OK. And here are some output settings. So as you can see here, you'll have to go to Output and then go to Streaming, and then here these are the recommended settings. So basically that means the resolution of your stream. So if you want to compose this video and set it up like this, so you'll have to simply make sure that output mode is set up to advanced. And after that, basically you have to simply scroll down, and that's all. So as you can see, the last step is to setting your title and category. So now that you have set all your streaming settings, it's time to head on over to your Kick Creator dashboard to set your stream title and category. So you have to enter your title, category, and then click on save. And as you can see, you are now ready to start your live stream. Press the start streaming button from your OBS software, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.